Have you ever had your favorite shirt rip right before an important event, and instead of tossing it aside or paying for expensive repairs, imagine being able to do it yourself in minutes? Sewing isn't just for grandmothers or fashion designers, it's a practical skill that could save both time and money. Today I want to talk to you about the basics of sewing, especially with a handheld sewing machine such as this one, which is a Singer Stitch Plus. Sewing is a valuable skill that could help with repairs, altering, and even creative projects. Understanding how to thread a sewing machine can make the process much easier and enjoyable. Let's get started. Today I have the Singer Stitch Plus and a threading bob. Oh, thread puller, I'm sorry. That's not what it is. So first we're gonna go and pull thread from right here, and here's an eyelid right here that we have to pull it through. I'll point out there's eyelids right here, right here, right here, right here, and one right on top of the needle. First we'll pull through this eyelid, and then you want to pull it all the way through, and right here you want to set it right between both of these little things to hold it steady when stitching. And then we have to pull it through this eyelid right here, it's gonna be a second. There you go. I think, yeah. And then I'm gonna pull it through this eyelid right here, like that. And then you want to pull it through the eyelid in the front, which is right here, like so. And then you want to adjust this, which is right here, so you could get the eyelid right above the needle, which is right here. Like that. And then we'll get our thread puller and put it right through where the needle is, meaning we have to lift this thing up right here and pull through our needle like that. Put thread through the needle puller, like so. Might be a second if I got it. I did not, in fact, get it. Oh yes, I did. Just a itty bitty part. Like that. And voila! That is how you thread this Singer Stitch Quick. Thank you.